It is often possible to obtain a vehicle's calibration file by connecting to its onboard diagnostics port and using the CES3 tuning tool to take a read from the engine ECU. This is the fastest and most convenient method of reading an engine control unit. The first step is to determine what kind of read is necessary, OBD or bench, by using the registration lookup service on the ECU Check website, which will confirm the make, model and read type, as well as describing the OBD port location. Once the socket has been found, connect the data cable from the CES3 and ensure that you have battery support, keeping it fully charged. The software is clearly laid out and it is easy to select the make and model of vehicle. Choose the OBD read should it be available. In this instance, we are obtaining the calibration file from a 2018 Land Rover Discovery 3-litre petrol. The AlienTech software will give you the option of reading the manual pertaining to the vehicle you're working on. It's always a good idea to look through this to ensure that you understand the whole process. Getting the read usually takes a few minutes, producing a file which is saved to the PC. Now that you have taken a read and saved the file, it can be uploaded to the ECU Check website for analysis. This process takes a minute or so, and when completed, presents the two payment options. Using one credit reveals a binary result of modified or original. Here we can see that the vehicle has indeed been remapped. The exact details of the calibration changes are then available to view and to download as a report for an additional credit or second direct payment. The analysis here also tells you which DTCs have been deleted, helping you to clearly understand the modifications that have been carried out. In this case, the rear O2 sensor has been disabled, which may also indicate that the catalytic converter has also been removed.